Hello, welcome. This is Mrs. Campbell, and I'm here to talk to you about ASL. I want to walk you through our classroom so that you have an idea of where things are at, how to find them, that sort of thing. So I'm walking you through an ASL 1 class, as you can see here, period 3, and then the class code and the meeting link, that's for your student to utilize. Where students need to go is in classwork. In this first page where it says stream, it just has different announcements. That's really all it is just announcements. All right? Where the important stuff happens is here in classwork. So here we are in classwork. We're currently in week 6. So the first thing, and something you always want to be checking, is the lesson plan. So you open that up, open the document. Sorry, it's taking a while. There we go. Well, it's starting. Give it a minute. While it's still loading, you can see that here are my office hours, my email, class meetings when they're at, and then, of course, the link to our class meetings. There's my phone number. Here's the week's topic, and then our learning targets so that students know exactly where we're going and what to expect. And it's still loading. There we go. I think it caught up. Okay, so you'll see here that you have materials, assignments, directions and links, and how do I turn it in. So this is where it starts. This is just materials. So it's for practice, fingerspelling practice. They click on this link and it kind of takes them through a quiz or like a little game so that you can see how you're doing. Then Unit 1 vocab. They're going to click on this link and it gives them the list. Now, they don't have to print this out. They can just write the words down because there's not enough room on this list to make notes. Then they're going to check into each video, and it shows me here teaching them the words from the vocab list with the words that start with A through E. Then I move on to another video and teach F through I, another video teaching J through R, S through T, and U and Y. Okay, so those videos are a little bit slower. You come down here, again, this is all materials, Unit 1 practice video. So this is a place, this video goes a little faster than these do, and they can actually practice the vocab words with me. Then here's their hand-shaped chart. Excuse me. This is a chart that they're looking at. It really helps with taking notes, and they'll have a test on this in the next week or so. Then last week, they did a puzzle packet. So you'll notice that it's not here because it didn't carry over. That was due last week. So this week, their assignment is to grade your puzzle packet. So they check their answers, and then they send me a message telling me how many points they received. Then we get down here, and this is where I told students, don't panic. There are 18 assignments. They are not to be done in 1 week. They're going to get probably half of it done in a week. And so this says read pages 14 and 15 and be ready to share something about Andrew Foster. So they click on the workbook page. What do you know? Here's Andrew Foster. So all the workbook pages they need are linked here. All right, so they read about it. Maybe take a note. Then it says Unit 1, read page 16 and watch the video. So again, they click on those workbook pages, scroll down to page 16, read, and then there's a conversation, something to watch, a video, and they'll watch it. At this point in this exercise, there's nothing to complete. Okay, then for number 3, they're going to read and watch. So there are their 2 links. Number 4, complete page 18 with the video. So they click on this workbook pages, scroll down to page 18. They read it so they know what there is expected of them. Then they'll watch their video. And then again, you don't have to have a printer. You can just write these out on a piece of paper. That's what we would be doing in the classroom because our workbooks are not consumables. All right, so that takes you through the workbook section. And that's it for this week. Now, if there were more assignments, then they would be listed here. Now, remember I talked to you about that puzzle packet? Right there, those answers. So let me go back in here, and here's the assignment. So they would click on graded puzzle packet, and their view looks different than mine, but they would open the assignment, and then they would, I can't open it because it would show you everybody. So what they would do is type in for their comment, I got 78 out of 82. Then I enter that into the gradebook, and we're good to go. So I hope that helps you to understand what your students are doing, where they're getting the information. Let's see. So if I click back on classwork, let's say that a student hadn't done their puzzle packet yet. So they go, oh, wait, it wasn't in this lesson plan. Go back to lesson plan week 5, see if it's in there. So if you are checking PowerSchool and seeing that your student has missing assignments, this is where you want to be looking to find them. Again, I apologize for it taking so long to load. It's getting there. So you still see the fingerspelling practice, the Unit 1 vocab, because that carries over each week until we change units. Here's that hand-shaped chart. I had something in here about changing their password because we had students whose accounts were being hacked. Here's that puzzle packet. So you see it's under the assignment column, puzzle packet reference pages. So that's the pages they need to look at to answer the questions in their puzzle packet. So you can see them here. So they could have this tab open. Again, you don't need to print it. They can just have the tab open and be scrolling through it. Here's the puzzle packet. They don't have to print it out. They can write their answers on another piece of paper. And then I also had a video of me going over each section so they knew how to do each one. And then I tell the students, if you have questions, please contact me and let me know. I'll be happy to either meet with you or we can answer the question through email. All right. If you have any questions, please remember to refer to this information up here of how to contact me. And I look forward to meeting with you. Thank you.